Online divorce in Arizona isn't what you may think it is. You can't actually get divorced entirely online in Arizona. Rather, you can download the initial divorce papers, but you will need to file them in person. You may also need to attend one or more hearings at the court in order to finalize your case. Some Arizona counties have self-service center forms or instructions, but even if you were to go to a site like Rocket Lawyer or LegalZoom to download forms, you still can't file them online. This is just a service that sells access to the documents. Even though lawyers and parties have the option to electronically file many documents after the initial petition, which must be filed in person, the divorce process itself doesn't happen online, regardless of whether someone is represented or not. You might want an attorney to review your forms if you complete the documents online through a commercial legal forms site. Your paperwork might be reviewed by a paralegal, not an attorney. It's common that online divorce services don't have attorneys on staff. Keep in mind that if you are unavailable to afford the services of an attorney, some states, including Arizona, allow for certified legal document preparers, or CLDPs, to assist with the proper preparation of legal paperwork. Although these professionals are not licensed attorneys and cannot give legal advice, they are usually experienced with the forms you will need to file and pursue your legal action. How to use online divorce forms in Maricopa County, Arizona. If you don't want to hire a lawyer, you can fill out all the divorce paperwork online at the Superior Court's website. More on this below. Your divorce papers are generated automatically after you fill out the information requested, and you can print the forms to file at the courthouse. The court's self-service center forms and instructions are available to self-represented parties regardless of whether they are in agreement on issues such as asset-property division, legal decision-making, child support, spousal maintenance, etc. The court does not charge any fees to download forms and instructions, but other commercial services may require customers to purchase their forms. For some people, this is a fair trade-off. According to It's Over Easy, first, you can save thousands of dollars because you do not need an attorney. Second, you can fill out the information on your own time in the privacy of your own home. However, just because you don't use an attorney to file the initial documents, that doesn't mean you won't need legal advice or representation to resolve the issues in your case. Most online divorce websites offer instructions for how to file your forms. The Maricopa County Superior Court Self-Service Center has two paths available to litigants. One is Easy Court Forms, which is an interactive process to complete forms on screen and then print for filing. The other is the main self-service center, where you can download the same documents as PDFs to fill out on the computer or by hand. Completing online divorce forms incorrectly could affect your legal rights. Igus and Orgel say, disadvantages to online divorce services include loss of rights, properties, or protections not addressed in the documentation. Why you shouldn't use online divorce forms in Arizona. While some online divorce forms in Arizona help you end your marriage easily and affordably, they can also complicate your divorce. Since online divorce forms are so accessible, it can cause a party to act rashly to the point where they end up surrendering their rights to assets, legal decision-making, and other decisions moving forward. If you are uncertain about the process of filing out online divorce forms or have a case involving spousal maintenance, child support, lots of assets to divide, etc., it might be worth consulting with an attorney. My Consumer Tips says, if you have specific questions about the divorce process, distribution of property, child custody, etc., it's always best to consult a divorce attorney. Online divorce alternatives in Arizona. You may think of hiring lawyers as setting up a fight you don't want, but filing divorce using online forms isn't necessarily a good way to avoid fighting, and it might not save you money in the long run. Hiring lawyers trained in collaborative divorce can actually help make the process less of a struggle. They can help you find ways to work together and reach a settlement that is acceptable to both of you. An experienced lawyer can help you understand the process and work toward a path forward. If you are considering a do-it-yourself divorce, take a step back to look at your options. Working with one of the professionals at Best Legal Choices may help you save time, money, as well as the headaches of navigating a divorce on your own. Collaborative divorce is less expensive and more efficient. Divorce litigation can be emotionally draining for you, your spouse, and your children, but it doesn't have to be that way with the collaborative process in Arizona. The collaborative process can result in a less expensive, more efficient, and less harmful outcome for everyone involved. The legal, financial, and communication professionals with best legal choices can help you navigate this difficult time in your life.